SketchUp is an amazing tool for designing in, but sometimes the image on the screen just doesn't cut it. It's just too flat. Even if you're designing in 3D, your computer screen will always remain flat. Don't you wish you could immerse yourself deeper into your model and actually be in the place you designed? With VR, that wish becomes reality. VR goggles offer a completely immersive experience. They have a highly detailed screen for each eye, simulating to your brain that you are actually seeing a different image with each eye, like with the exact parallax that your eyes have. And they trick your brain into thinking you're actually there. The goggles are outfitted with cameras. They track the movement of your head. And these things combined will trick your brain into thinking you're actually in the space you're looking at. We are now looking in Twinmotion at this very same model that we were just looking at in SketchUp. You can see already in Twinmotion that it's been dressed up a lot. It's got trees, it's got cars. This model was kindly provided to us by Ronald van Bommel from Plan 34. So this is already a lot prettier than SketchUp itself. We can also use this program, Twinmotion, for rendering stills. But today we're going to experience what it's like to look at this Twinmotion model in VR. And Nick here is going to put on the goggles and he's going to look at the model in VR. So we're going to go up to the eye icon here and I'm going to say Start VR. And now Nick, let me hand you the controllers. And Nick is going to use the presenter options to look at the various scenes that have been set up, which will drop him right into the model. Watch out for that car, Nick. Yeah. As you can see, the image that he's looking at in his headset is moving along with the movements of his head. It even reacts to jumping or squatting. And he can have the full 360 experience. Now Nick is going to tell you something about the hardware that we need to get all this rolling.
If you want to experience VR in the best way possible, the Z by HP workstation portfolio lets you do just that. Combining the high-performance computing, the hardware-enforced security, and the optimal reliability of an HP Z workstation, mobile or desktop, with the best-in-class HP VR headset, the HP Reverb G2, and of course with SketchUp. With the Reverb G2, you have virtually no screen door effect. The high resolution displays and the high-end audio let you forget that you're in a virtual world. And it's easy to set up because of the inside-out tracking that's very advanced. And it's compatible with both SteamVR and Windows Mixed Reality. And it's a very comfortable headset as well. And if you're looking for another next step in VR, you might want to take a look at the HP VR Backpack. Basically a fully fledged workstation that you can throw on your back and enjoy VR in the highest quality possible without worrying about tripping over wires.
In order to work with VR, you need VR-capable software as well. We've extensively demonstrated Twinmotion in this session, but it's not the only competitor. A very popular variant on the market is Enscape, and we're looking at it right now. On the left of the screen, we see SketchUp. On the right of the screen, we see Enscape. And this Enscape session is already coupled with the VR glasses. You can see that the image moves as I move the goggles. And Enscape has a unique feature where you can actually model while you are using the VR goggles. This is very nice for client presentations. You can make changes as they are looking at the thing they want changed. Even SketchUp itself includes a VR solution. SketchUp VR Viewer can be downloaded from the Windows Store or from the Oculus Store, depending on the VR goggles of your choice.